Some women don't chase chaos. Chaos finds them. Because wherever they go, systems improve. Relationships stabilize. Businesses organize. Conflict resolves. Structures form. If that's you, you are not too much. You are a system stabilizer. But here's the problem. System stabilizers often become unpaid infrastructure for unstable people. I've seen this pattern clearly in my own life. At work, I walked into disorganized systems. I created structure. Sales improved, clients calmed, chaos reduced. In relationships, I regulated, I clarified, I repaired. I held the frame. I became the mediator, the emotional processor, the steady one. I cleaned up what wasn't fully mine. The pattern wasn't weakness. The pattern was that my strength activated automatically. System unstable? I stabilize. But here's the shadow. When your stabilizing power runs unconsciously, you become emergency architecture. You fix what collapses, but you don't build what actually feeds you. Here's what's happening underneath. If you grew up around instability, your nervous system learned something early. If I bring order, I'm safe. So your nervous system scans for disorder and it moves towards it. That's not love. That's conditioning. It shows up as overfunctioning, repairing broken agreements, cleaning up after other people's promises, staying longer than aligned, carrying what was never yours. And here's the illusion. You think you are choosing chaos, but your nervous system is choosing familiarity. Stabilizing chaos gave you identity, but identity is not destiny. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If there is nothing to rescue, nothing to repair, nothing to stabilize, who are you? Because many system stabilizers confuse being needed with being loved. But the evolution is different. You don't need to be needed. You need to be aligned. Inside the infinity method, this is where the shift begins. From emergency stabilization to intentional design. And I want to share something with you. Not every woman who resonates with this work can work directly with me. Not everyone wants to enroll in the course immediately. And not everyone wants to wait. So I built something. A structured reflective system based on the infinity method. It doesn't motivate you. It doesn't flatter you. It asks precise questions. Questions that expose our functioning patterns. Questions that interact the instinct to stabilize everything. It is not therapy. It is not coaching. It is structured reflection. For women who are disciplined, but tired of performing strength. If you want to explore that privately, I have linked it below. Recently, I realized something important. My strength was never the problem. My unconscious loyalty to using it for others was. A blueprint does not chase collapse. It designs it. It observes. It evaluates. It builds intentionally. When someone enters my life now, I don't immediately hand them the blueprint. I engage. I observe. If my whole self agrees, I reveal. If not, I release. System stabilizers make powerful founders, but only when they stop becoming unpaid infrastructure. Order without boundaries become martyrdom. Order with sovereignty becomes leadership. You are not here to hold broken systems together. You are here to build structures that feed you. Stop fixing chaos. Start designing your life. You don't need to prove. You need coherence. If this is landing, stay with me.